Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say we need for work hard, so that we will have enough to give people we need help. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, go do it now. No, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from Paul's letter to Titus, chapter 3, from verse 12 to verse 15. When me send Artemas or Tychicus to you, try your best to come meet me at Nicopolis, cause me go stand there till winter done. Do all what you can do for help Zenas the liar and Apollos. Make sure so when they're ready for left there, them have all what they need. The people who believe in a Jesus and we in a Crete must learn to work hard and do good sitting so that them will always have enough so they can give people we need it. Everybody were there with me, send their love. Tell all of God people where they down there with you, howdy. Me pray say God will show no love, even though we no deserve it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.